It is exhausting to lift and carry things up and down constantly. Extra Robbie, the world's first household foldable electric stair climbing cart, is our trustworthy life partner. The capacity of 66 pounds can easily meet my daily needs. What if I have a versatile, convenient solution like the Extra Robbie foldable electric stair climbing cart? I can use it everywhere, at home or in the supermarket. It really takes a load off my aging mom. Not only does it handle my daily transportation needs, but it also saves my back. With automatic climbing assistance, it makes the process easy and fast. Cutie, sorry for making you wait. Let's hit the road. I don't need to worry about its safety. The cart has smart brakes for smooth downhill rides. Who stole the bone and ate it last night? Even better, just a tap. It effortlessly climbs in 2 speed modes. It's designed to make stair climbing effortless and efficient. Equipped with a powerful climbing motor, it's way more convenient than relying solely on human strength. I can even use it on grass. Extra Robbie handles all kinds of terrains like a pro. Check! It fits perfectly on my trunk after folding. It's exactly what I need. Let's embrace the handy tool and enjoy life to the max with Extra Robbie.
If you have any questions, please feel free to call us toll-free at 888-811-5941. Okay, that's it for now. This is Bob again, thanking you for stopping by handtruckstogo.com and wishing you a great day.